How to make tinola with limited ingredients. First, saute garlic and ginger in oil. Add the chicken. Stir a bit. Add fish sauce, whole peppercorn, ground peppercorn, and mix it. Add water and more water. Cover it, bring to a boil. Add onion, papaya, and chicken cubes. Bring to a boil. Turn off the stove. Add the red chili pepper and the spring onion. And voila! You will have a nice and yummy tinola. Enjoy eating mga ka-awesome with my chicken tinola. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will highly appreciate it. Thank you so much mga ka-awesome. Stay safe.